Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adam Smiles of the Laughing Stock. Oh, Who is the pleasure of having my meeting me?
Well, I am Socrates Cormo, elementalist and leader of Chelerantes. Well, used to be anyway.
Oh, such a prestigious title. Yes.
Indeed.
Oh, well, let me strain my ear a little bit more. I believe I didn't quite catch what you said.
Oh, Melrose Store. A glad one.
Oh, I assure you, the pleasure is mine. So, uh, why don't you two tell me a little bit about yourselves and I'll reward you accordingly. If you don't mind.
I mean, I had already said pretty much all it is about me. Born and raised
Promise I'm not as interested.
I mean, what are your hopes and aspirations for the future in this dark and dreary land?
Well, maybe make it undark and undreary.
Oh, yes, a little bit of light would be nice. Where did Solstice go? Who knows? And you, friend, what are you looking forward to in the future? What are your goals and aspirations?
Well, so long as I get the troop back together, whatever's left of it, we'll see what comes.
Troop? Are you perhaps one of them entertainers from Artifecchio? Or, my head hurts. I can't remember how to pronounce it correctly.
Artifacts Regio. Surely you've heard of Chelerantes. We've been around for 200 years, circling the globe. All of Lux Brumos.
Oh my! I definitely am in the presence of greatness then.
Well, one would hope, but apparently not quite so much.
It's two very fine people indeed. By chance, do you know what your fears would be, or your greatest fear?
Now that would be a folly to reveal as far as I'm concerned.
Well, if you're interested, I could grant you a blade that will help you overcome said fears. Free of charge, all I need to know is your fear, so because I can't engrave the correct runes to overcome your fear if I do not know it.
A fair ask, but blades are putty in my hands, as my grandfather would say. The great king of swords would never let me hold a blade after a few, let alone a knife, indeed.
Oh, what kind of tools do you use to wage wars on the creatures and the elements?
Magic. Indeed. Right now, not much. I've found no essence. I've found no threads of magic to help someone weave some proper attire. So I club things as best I can.
Well, you're in luck, for today I will grant you a blade like this, and once it's broken, you bring it to me, and I'll reforge it into any kind of weapon you so desire. Free of charge, just for the small prices of a fear, so I like to help people transcend their fears and become something greater. It's my goal, it's my aspiration, and my dream.
A fine dream indeed.
I've only given 3 blades out so far. What's a few more?
Well, as I'm afraid, a blade is no good to me, but if Melrose would take one.
Oh, no blades. Oh, how
I
sad.
think you found the wrong folk
Yeah,
for your
you might be able to
peddling,
do
my
two
friend.
more, just not here.
All right. Just so I can. Oh, it's Atom Smiles. Just so I remember. What kind of tools would you two be interested in the future? Maybe I could wet your lips with something more enticing next time.
Don't like me for that.
Well, do you like magic wands, staffs, maybe a powerful mace, or a bow, or what, what do you like to use, or what did you use before coming to such dreary land? Surely something.
Stave, gifted to me by a fellow survivor for the time being. It will suffice, I think. But staves are what I usually use when I'm in combat. After all, I can still do a few tricks, although it is kind of strange.
Ooh, a magical entertaining. Interesting indeed. And you, miss? Oh, miss, what do you use? What kind of things do you like other than that axe on your back? Preferably what? What was that?
Sharp sight.
Ooh, sharp. You mean like swords, headgears, spears? What else is there? Knives? What's your kind of pointy things do you like?
So one of those answers, right? I'll give you that.
Oh, come on. Don't tease me. Just tell me what you like.
Really good teasy. It came out like.
Well, I was right here at your camp waiting for whoever came back. The owners to come back. Are you afraid? Are you afraid that I might give you something you want? So, you don't like anything you're saying?
I mean, I've known her a while. She's a picky one.
What if I give you this fancy fish I found in the river? I'm not asking for anything much, just what you like to use. Far as weapons, I don't feel like that's a big ask. Here, a show of good faith, have a fish.
Large.
Very heavy.
Heavy is
Go on.
Yeah,
Sharp, small, knife.
Did you say you like axes? Sorry, your voice kind of stuttered.
So sharp things like eyes and axes are right.
Oh, so anything sharp. You're not too picky.
Oh, right. That's what I'm saying.
Alright, maybe I can find some stronger metals, and I'll come and bestow a nice staff and a sharp axe, or a knife, or whatever the hell you want. And maybe we can talk again later.
perhaps.
Alright, and without further ado, I must be gone. And if you ever feel the need of having a superior weapon, I'll give it to you free of charge, just for a simple fear, and free repairs in the future. Don't forget, Adam Smiles of the Laughing Stock.
Indeed, indeed.
Well, farewell, my two lovebirds. May you survive the wilderness.